Hey there, it's Boot Zone here. This is an Indesit washing machine. It's an IWDC6125S. I'll show you how to do the lint filter on this one. Down the bottom is a plastic panel, and I've just got a screwdriver. Just levering that panel down. There's a few tabs, you have to kind of clip them down. There's a big spider. See him there? Massive fella. Over here on the right is the lint filter, so let's have a look. Unscrew that. There might be water in here. Yes, there sure is. Quite a bit. There we go. Quite a bit. That's more than usual, so this machine's probably stuck with water in it. That's an amazing amount of water actually. But looking at the filter plug, it's pretty clean. So for some other reason this machine probably stopped in the cycle. That water just keeps coming, bizarrely. Yeah, look, it's even still in the drum after all that much, so that's kind of wonderful. You can see how high up, there's a high tide mark there on the back, just there, so it was quite full of water for whatever reason. So if it was full of water and you wanted to empty it out, bear in mind that there's a lot that would come out. Then, just to finish up, I'll have a look in. You can see the impeller blades, you can check that they go around, but there's nothing wrong with this one, it's too clean. Should be fine. And just tighten it up as far as it'll go. Insert the 3 tabs on the bottom there. There's one in the centre, one on the right, one on the left. And just snap that shut. You just snap that shut and that's it, the job's done. If you're doing this indoors, you might want to put down a towel, a couple of towels in this case. Any questions, just put them in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you later.